Hindi, ay, sorry po. Opo, high school
Teacher siya.
Saan po?
Lagro High School po.
Oh.
Okay po.
Ano pong subject?
Journalism po.
Ay
at
ka
saka
mag-interview.
English. Kaya lang po today.
Pala, dapat nag-English ako.
Apo, hindi naman po.
Yes, ma'am.
Siguro po ang tanong ko, what particular request, if not demands, do you think you want to share or to ask ABS-CBN, or did you have an opportunity considering your prowess in songwriting has gone so recognized by not just the Filipinos here but abroad, and you are an icon to everyone. Yung pong ano po ba?
Napapry mo naman ako.
Ano po ba yung sa palagay niyo pwede po ninyong mga sana?
Yeah.
Oo.
Teacher, thank you ha. Icon ka din. Kasi teacher ka. You know, I function as an artist because I was given a gift to create. Why is that? Only God knows. And if I'm not able to do that, I think I'll be a very sad person. Diba? I think I'll be very sad if I'm not able to create music that I wish to create. And that's the essence of who I am. I do not make demands. It's never been part of my persona to make demands. I'm never a demanding person. I can probably make a request, and that is to allow me to flourish, allow me to create, allow me to let you listen to the stuff that I hear in my mind and I feel in my heart. Because that's what I am all about. And I have a strange feeling that they would allow me to do that. I've been writing already, music. Even before my transfer here, I've been writing, and I'm so excited to let everyone hear it. New music, but still old because it's part of me. So, yan lang naman.
At saka, sino po sa mga kapamilya na singers yung unang-una yung gustong-gustong bigyan ng kanta?
Well, sabi ko nga kanina, si Vice sana gusto ko siyang bigyan ng kanta. Kung sino man ang humingi, wala naman akong pinipili. Pero syempre may binabagayan naman yung kanta ko, no? Alam niyo naman yung kanta ko, ballad, medyo pasenti, may hugot. So kung babagay dun sa artist, why not? There's one artist here that I'd like to single out because I admire this person's sensibility pagdating sa pagsulat, si Yeng. I think she's a really wonderful, talented singer-songwriter. I'm amazed dun sa mga, and she remains to be so humble and so pag nagkaroon tayo ng mas marami pang ganon. And she's a perfect example of someone who started here, na-recognize yung gift niya for songwriting, and look at her now, it flourished. So, ano lang yan. I appreciate that from this network, that they're able to do something like that.